Hi guys, it's Weed It, and I am in the middle of studio prep. Not some fun things that I want to do, but things that hopefully will help me be more productive. And I'm going to take a minute to show you what I've been working on, if I can get my hands on it. I had the wrong cart. Okay. I went through and I got some 1-inch stickers and stuck them to the top of all of my silks and then painted them. I wasn't even trying to be very neat, but now at a glance I can see exactly what they look like when they're dry. So I did that with all of my silks, and I am going through, I just finished doing all of my twinkling H2Os, so I can see at a glance what colors I might be interested in. And that's something that a lot of you probably already know to do, and it's something I've been meaning to do for a long time and I just haven't. I will go in and do the same thing with the tops of my Lumiere paints and pretty much anything that comes in a jar I'm going to go through and do. I'll just paint that instead of using a sticker, but the stickers are just 1-inch stickers, and I think I got 300 for $600 for $3. But the real tip that I wanted to show you today involved Brushos and what I'm doing with the Brushos. So I put the sticker on the top, and I love Brushos, but I don't use them very much because I don't really know which color looks like what. So take a Q-tip, dip it in clean water, and then I kind of roll the excess off. I don't want it dripping wet because I'm going to stick it down into the powder, and then I'm going to paint the top. And that gives me an accurate and true representation of the color. I was trying to take just the powder from the lid, but I found that I wasn't getting the real color when I did that. So now I know exactly what color I have. The next tip is not my own, and I cannot remember who did this, but to make the Brushos really easy to use, stick a pin, a push pin, in the top like that. So this is what you've got. When you pull it out, you can shake and you'll get a little bit. You won't get a lot. Of course, you can shake more out if you want, but it's there, and I know you can't see it, but there you go. And you can see I've done that with a couple colors. That is all just from shaking the color out. I've got that much pigment. So it's this, putting the pin in the top really helps these Brushos go a long way, because you don't end up getting way more pigment. I got a lot here, but that was because I actually spilled some. But up here, this was all just sprinkling to see what I would get. So that is my studio tip. 1-inch round stickers. They're awesome. And the Brushos, put that push pin in the top. You don't have to open them anymore, and you can sprinkle out just a little bit of color. It's awesome. Bye guys.